Welcome to the LinkedIn Blueprint Introduction. My name is Juan, and I'm going to walk you through some facts and some stats here from the LinkedIn platform that are going to give you an idea as far as how powerful LinkedIn is for yourself, for your business, for whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish on the platform. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. The first thing here is that LinkedIn is the world's largest business professional social network, has over 500 million members. This is essentially like having an online networking platform event that is going on 24/7. Just think about all those different types of networking events that go on, the meetups, Chamber of Commerce, BNI groups, right? This is essentially all of those put together, but in an online fashion, right? Online form, where you can easily connect with many different people in your industry, different potential prospects. So the thing here on LinkedIn is that people are on the platform to connect with other professionals that may directly or indirectly play a factor in the professional business dealing. So if you think about it, there's people that are on LinkedIn. They're there because they want to make sure that they're either looking for another job, or they're simply there just to network and mingle with other individuals. And then there's those that are on there to actually try to get new prospects, new customers in their pipeline. And I'm going to show you a way to set up your profile so that you are attracting people to you. People are actually reaching out to you and actually trying to find out how you can help them. The next thing is I want to share with you some stats. So LinkedIn is the #1 channel that B2B marketers use to distribute content. So let's say that you are a company, maybe you're a consultant that works with business owners, right? Well, the best way for you to get in front of your target market, and oftentimes it's even the executive folks, so like the C-level folks, the VPs, those types of individuals are on LinkedIn all the time, and they're consuming content. They're always essentially on there trying to learn more about marketing, about different things in their particular area, right, in their particular niche. Now, the next thing here is that LinkedIn makes up more than 50% of all social traffic to B2B websites and blogs. That means that there's a lot of content that's being shared on LinkedIn that's driving people from that piece of content to an actual website, so that individual can learn more about that particular business's product or service. So highly advise that you be utilizing LinkedIn to its full potential. And I'm going to share with you a lot of different tools, tips, strategies in this course so you can accomplish just that. So the next fact here that I want to share with you is that 45% of LinkedIn article readers are upper level positions. Like I was mentioning, the managers, the VP, directors, C-level. Now, I actually have clients that utilize LinkedIn to generate more leads and sales, and they utilize some of my systems to generate those lead opportunities, and their particular client base is typically the C-level execs, the directors, the VPs. So their particular target on LinkedIn is perfect, right? Because those are the individuals that they can put out content to, easily engage with, and know that those individuals are most likely going to be on the platform actually engaging, connecting, and having conversations. So how can you use LinkedIn? Well, you can use LinkedIn in a variety of different ways. One of the first ways that you can use LinkedIn is to hire some of the best top talent. You can easily put out a job there through your business page, your company page, and attract some top tier talent. The next way that you can actually use LinkedIn is to easily be able to reach out to your potential customers so that you can further develop your brand, increase your visibility, and make new business connections possible. This is the whole branding element. And as I mentioned, I'm going to walk you through a lot of different tools, tips, tricks, strategies that you can use to have conversations, develop that rapport and chemistry and connection with your prospects. And you can use LinkedIn as a selling tool. This is the #1 way that I like to use LinkedIn. I know that people that are on LinkedIn, as I mentioned, are there to essentially want to do business. They're open. Because if they're on LinkedIn, they're on there because they want to network with other people and they want to stay active in their career, their job, or whatever that may be. So LinkedIn can increase your business potential by providing you with a platform that is designed to drive selling efforts with real-time sales intelligence. This is a tool called the Sales Navigator, which we're going to go through later on in this course. But there's a lot of tools out there that LinkedIn provides to help you in aiding in your prospecting, your sales, and all those things that you do to make sure that you're going out there and getting new business, new connections, and growing your business. So some of the other ways that you can use LinkedIn is by creating shareable content that's going to add value to your prospects, right? So this can be as simple as creating different articles on your subject matter that relate to your prospects, that add value. For example, if you have like a marketing agency, if you're a marketing consultant, you can create content that is centered around your particular industry, as far as like SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, and create guides and essentially how-tos to help your prospect, right, get a better understanding of those platforms. So then by you doing that, you're providing value, you're building trust, credibility, rapport with those prospects. So LinkedIn offers multiple ways to feed content to its users. As I mentioned, the whole articles, you can post like slide shares also in like the SlideShare tool that they have as well. Different business presentations, blog posts, infographics, webinars, podcasts, videos. So just think about LinkedIn again as like that online networking platform that's really similar to like Facebook, right? But with Facebook, I mean, you have like a completely different type of individual that's on the platform. With LinkedIn, it's more of like older individuals, C-levels that are really engaged on the platform. So it's a different kind of audience. But if you're in the B2B space, LinkedIn is your best bet. It's your best tool. And also, when you have like different tools like the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can use that to actually reach out to prospects and actually research your competition. But then not only that, use the different tools to really set yourself apart from your competition by really optimizing your platform so that it stands out. It tells people exactly what you do, how you can help them. You have a lot of content on there. It's really positioned yourself so that you are the expert. You're seen as that credible, authoritative expert, and people will want to start reaching out to you and learning more about your product or service. So that's it for this one here. We'll go ahead and see you on the next one.